My head, where am I? Oh, hey guys, it's Nia, and I am in Puppet today. I do not know who this spoiled brat princess is, but I'm guessing if somebody doesn't get her what she wants, she smacks them with their bats. And I don't want to get smacked. Wait, who's the only player? Oh my gosh, he's right behind us. Run. Oh my gosh, that was a close one. Oh my gosh, that was so scary. I was about to die. The green key hasn't been found yet. How am I supposed to? Oh. No. No. I'm gonna keep myself in lockdown. That was so scary. Oh my gosh, that was the scariest game I've ever played, especially the jump scare. Oh my gosh. Hopefully I become... I haven't seen chapter 1 yet, guys, so I need to vote for chapter 1 because I do not want to, miss chapter 1. We have like 7 people here. I mean 6 people here. I mean 7, 6 or 7 people here, and chapter 1. Maybe there's a way to escape the prison. Yeah, there must be a way to escape the prison. Okay, so we're in. I do not know when that creepy puppet is coming. But I'm just gonna stand here and wait for her. Is that Elmo? No, not Elmo. Not Elmo. Okay, where do we go? Where's Elmo? He's right there. He can't get it. Oh my gosh. Okay, now where do we go? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Is it still recording? Oh no. Okay, the video is still on. Is it still on? Guys, if the video is still on, then it's okay. That was scary. This girl's just chilling and sitting here. I don't know why she's doing that. I'm gonna go to the shop. Mo, King Mo, Zoe, Zombo.